Okay, family and friends, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Nicole. This is Nicole. I know you guys can never see me, but it'll be soon. Okay, so I asked my husband what he would like for dinner Sunday, which tonight is Saturday. So I asked my husband what he'll like for dinner, and he said he hasn't had in a long time, by the title of this video, cow's feet, right here. So this is about, I want to say about 5 pounds, but you know it's just big because of all the bones. So I'm going to put these in the crock pot, and I already cleaned them with lime and vinegar. So these are going into the crock pot overnight, and tomorrow they'll be wonderful. So what I'm going to be seasoning this with is allspice, which is pimento seed, grind up. So I'll put some in here, and this can be overpowering, so that amount. I'm gonna go in with some salt. I'm also gonna go in with some black pepper. My Jamaican seasoning mixture. And I asked him if he wanted curry. He said no. I love curry. He'll just take it brown stew, like brown stew with browning. Some paprika. Only for the color, not for the taste. And this browning right here by Grace. Okay, and for my aromatics, I have here 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, garlic ginger paste. I have some thyme here that I cut. I have about a half an onion that go in with a couple slices of pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, and these green onions, they're real small, so I use like 4 or 5. So what I'm going to do here, I already have my my slow cooker here, and I'm gonna put it on low for right now till in the morning, and I can always turn up back the heat, the temperature, not the heat. So I'm gonna mix this all up. I could have put this on in the morning on a high, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to be, I wanted to be, take its time to cook. So I'm gonna put it in here, and then I'm gonna cut it on. I'm bringing this a little bit closer. Okay. It doesn't matter. Just like that. And I'm going to fill this up with some water. I don't want to put too much water because if it's going to sit overnight, it might get some more water on there. So I'm just going to pour this in here. Let me wash my hands. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Cut it on low. And then tomorrow, God's willing, I'll come back and show you guys, okay? Oh, good morning to you guys. Hope you guys are well. Okay, so this is what it looked like this morning. It's nice and tender. It's still hot. I shut this off about an hour ago. I didn't want it to get too mushy. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to taste for seasoning, salt, or anything like that. Excuse me. And then I'm gonna probably put in another pot on the stove, or I'll probably let it stay in the crock pot and just re-season it. Okay, so I'll come back and show you guys everything later. Okay, family and friends, I'm back, and the Cowfoot foot trotters, it's in the crock pot, and this is what it's looking like. It's falling apart. I don't want to mess with it too much. So I have 1 can here of butter bean that I wash off, drained, and everything. So I'm going to stir this in. I am going to re-season it, and I am going to let it stay in this pot. You know, I don't want to mess up 2 pots if you don't have to. So I'm going to go back in with a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt, and not black pepper because I already have a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper in there. But the only thing I'm gonna go back in with is my Jamaican seasoning blend. You can use whatever season of your choice. Whatever you have, you use. You don't have to go out and get anything extra, and you season to your liking. Okay. So I'm gonna let this stay. Right now it's on high. So I'm gonna let it stay on high, and when I'm ready to plate and show you guys how it look and what I plate this with, y'all gonna be like, damn, it smells so good. So I'll be back to show you guys later. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I went ahead and did some rice and peas. I made some slaw, and that is it. I hope you guys tried this recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. And be safe. Until next time. Bye.